Welcome to the iPECS UCE mobile application video for Windows Desktop. If you haven't set up your application yet, please refer to the UCE installation video for Windows. Once you log into iPECS UCE, you'll be presented with the home screen. On the left-hand side of the screen you can see different options for UCE, which will provide different features of the application. To access your directory, select the Contacts icon. Your contacts are split into 3 tabs: Organisation, Shared and Private. Organisation is a list of contacts from within your organisation. This can be separated into sections, for example different departments. You can see in this example that Helen is online and available for an audio call or video call. To call a contact, you can right-click and choose to call any of their numbers listed in the directory, for example, their extension number or mobile. You have a range of options listed for how you can interact with the contact, such as send an instant message or email. Shared contacts will show your system directory. This is a full list of the contacts available to everyone using your UCE application. Your system directory can be updated centrally in iPECS Cloud via your administrator. Private is your own list of private contacts. To add a new contact, click on the symbol of a person with a plus sign. You can then enter the contact details in the new window. Within your application settings, you can also sync your private directory with your Outlook contacts. You can search for a contact in the search bar either by name or by organisation. If you have any questions regarding your UCE application, please contact your telephony provider.